So if we have to define risk areas, we can start with domain and context, because there's a big difference whether we evaluate the risk not only between different industries, but also who is using this application in what context. As an example, a medical professional using an AI tool for examination has one level of risk, but if a patient is using the same tool, that's a totally different level of risk. So we need to be aware of the domain and context risks. Then we can look at the more technical aspects of the risk areas, like data risks or algorithmic risks. And here we can think whether we are using the right data in the right context, or even the right data with the right algorithms, and what could be the potential risks that can come out of this in this particular use case. Then we can move to process risks, and the process risks cover what we are doing in the development and the training of the AI model, how are users using it as well, because there could be a lot of unknowns at the beginning, and we need to do extensive testing and validation with end users and trying it with different types of data and different types of interactions, so we ensure that it performs the way we want it to do. And last but definitely not least, there are also design risks. Have we designed the application to be responsible and to be ethical and safe to the end user? And this should start from the get-go. We need to be aware at the moment we start discussing the project or the product. And once we have defined all the risk areas, we can measure the specific risks, right? The risk analysis.